You guys asked for it. It's here. Vlogmas Day 1. Get ready for the jingle. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Colorado. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today?
It's currently clear and 45 degrees. Today's high will be 50 degrees, and the low will be 30.
Jason and I are watching a video here on
has a real nice color, especially as it
a new
cooks.
potential Christmas present. He's looking at a green egg. So let me know if you have one of these eggs. Jason's trying to convince me. We found a used one on Craigslist we're thinking about getting for him. So if you have one, let me know in the comments if you like it. We've got a doggy here who probably wants to go for a walk. And a kitty hiding under the table. What are you two doing under there? What do you want? You want to go for a walk? Fine. Olivia is working on her second book here, and sorry for the screen going bonkers on you, but she has been typing diligently. And this one won't stop barking until we take him on a walk. So we are gonna start Vlogmas Day 1 with Thanksgiving because for us that's what starts the holiday season, but first we're gonna take this dog for a walk because he's driving me crazy. Let's go. Ooh, there's a box. Oh, disappointment. So we just got done eating and now we're kind of FaceTiming with some family.
Did you tell Aunt Erica what you want for your birthday? You want cat, or what are they called? Killer cats? Fighting cats? Warrior cats? Warrior cats?
These guys are doing dishes. Sam's cleaning my oven.
Okay, I might go for my 2s now.
We're playing Yahtzee via FaceTime with our Nana and cousin.
Okay, I have 3 4s, so we're gonna take my 4s. This is so awkward.
Tell us your joke.
Why are Christmas trees bad at sewing?
Why?
Because they're always dropping their needles.
That's just great.
Time for advent calendars. So let's start out with, this is my Yarn Ink advent calendar. I just did the 12 days this year instead of 24 because I also have this other one. Ooh. So this one is super pretty. It's a nice blue color. I might do my Knitmas hat out of these since I only have 12 of them. I don't know. And then day 1 of Stitch Supply Co. Kylie in the machine. Sorry, I couldn't open it with one hand. So here we go. It looks like a bunch of sew-in labels. So there are 5 different little labels plus a little instruction sheet. Very cute. Holiday deer just hanging out there. Ooh, and a hawk flying around. Just chilling. They just hang out there. Actually, one time they got locked out of the gate and my neighbor put on Facebook a picture. They were sitting there waiting for the ranger to come open the gate. As soon as he opened the gate, they all ran back in the reservoir. He just like ran away. All right guys, Thanksgiving is over. Everybody is kind of chilling out. Jason's actually outside fixing our snowblower because it broke just in time for snow. And I get to turn all my Christmas lights on. Katie's chilling on the couch. So I did a curbside pickup from World Market, so we're just sitting in our spot waiting for our person to come out. We got some fun wrapping paper and a couple little cookie kind of treats from here, and it's super nice. They give you an extra 10% off if you do their curbside pickup, so why not? Hi, how are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
You got that?
Yeah, I do. Thank you so much.
Thanks, have a good one.
You too. So we just got a couple of wrapping things. This bag was really cute, I thought. Buffalo check, and then it kind of matches the wrapping paper, and then a couple other rolls of wrapping paper. And then I got this light blue, this is just like a melamine, so it's plastic mixing bowl, which I thought was super cute. I am a little bit bummed out because we were supposed to have cookies in here, and there are no cookies. Okay, so we are going to make some lefse dough. You prepare it the night before, so we've just got some potato flakes. We're kind of cheating a little bit here. And Liv is boiling some water and butter, and then we'll show you making our lefse tomorrow because we let the dough, we form it into little balls and then let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. It is not supposed to be this dry. We forgot that we doubled the recipe. So we are now adding extra milk and water and butter so that we can get it to the right consistency. This is a little bit more what it should be looking like, so it should be able to stick into a ball like that. So yeah, I think we're good. All right guys, I think we're gonna end the vlog here today. I know we don't have a tea tonight, but we will be doing teas, so you can look forward to those. We just didn't quite get around doing it tonight. Jason's already upstairs in bed, and we just got done putting the lefse in the fridge, and so we're just gonna call it a night. But we hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 1, and we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2. Put the lid on. Do it in like a very aesthetic, filmy manner. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just do it nicely.